Welcome to the South Ops Fire Weather Webcast for Wednesday, February 11th. I'm your host, Kristen Stewart. After a long period of warm and dry weather, we are finally seeing the weather pattern change across California. You can see this from the visible satellite imagery in that a low-pressure system centered off the coast of central California is bringing in lots of cloud cover to the state this morning. This system will bring much cooler temperatures, strong onshore flow, and scattered shower activity today. Look for more of that to come as we go into next week as well. The current radar imagery this morning indicates widespread shower activity across much of central California and a lingering band of rain over far southern California. Look for this shower activity to continue through the day as this weather system currently off the central coast starts to make its way eastward through the state, though most activity will be focused over central California. Additional rainfall accumulations of a quarter to half inch are likely across most areas away from the deserts and San Joaquin Valley. Local amounts to an inch or more are likely over portions of the higher terrain, especially across south and southwest facing slopes from an orographic enhancement thanks to strong southerly flow. Snow levels will be around 5,000 to 6,000 feet, with significant snowfall expected across the High Sierra. Some light shower activity may linger on Thursday as the weather system continues to move eastward. The weather system that will move through the state today will continue to bring significant cooling to the region. High temperatures are expected to range in the upper 50s to low 60s across most areas, which are at least 5 to 10 degrees below seasonal averages. In addition to the cooling, gusty southerly winds will linger across much of the region through this afternoon, then taper off tonight. These strong winds will likely lead to enhanced precipitation totals across south and southwest facing slopes. After the system moves through the state over the next day or two, weak high pressure will briefly return for late this week. Slight warming is expected Thursday and Friday, though high temperatures across the warmest valleys will only range in the upper 60s to low 70s at best, which is right around seasonal averages. Drier weather is also expected, but humidity will remain elevated. Even more significant weather is on the horizon for next week, as a series of Pacific troughs are expected to slam into the west coast. This series of storms will bring widespread heavy precipitation with low snow levels along with strong south to west winds for much of next week starting on Sunday. Exact details regarding timing, intensity, and snow levels remain fuzzy at this time, since the event is still 5+ days out, but we can say with confidence that the weather for next week will be high impact and quite wet. Most areas will likely receive at least 2 to 4 inches of rainfall throughout the week, and significant snowfall will be expected for the mountains, including the SoCal mountains. Stay tuned to the forecast over the coming days as we iron out the finer details. The return of precipitation to the region will keep our significant fire potential in the minimal category for the foreseeable future and likely through at least March with how significant next week's event looks. The cold nature of the pattern change next week will also be great news for the ailing snowpack across the western U.S., though it is also important to recognize that there will be adverse effects as well, with possible significant resource mobilization needs. And that's all I have for today. Thanks for tuning in. Our next webcast will be on Friday, February 13th. Have a fantastic day.